Nakajingya beteng ki Pynrem ki barjala ki barung Be-Aiñ harilum garo kalapan long ya kan nangrim gimen achik dol NAD ban Pynrem jur Halor kani. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Kubor ha Shillong Press Club hakal Lypa tarik uleber arja arpun rio u Francis C. Marak nong aiktin ulaong bagi Bangladeshi kila rung Be-Aiñ tang bagi koloni ki Jaka puta nrai ki penthotru ya kasyong sok san hakish nong ki thau. Ulaong baga jingmi ke huri hura kedai ke babu jing temu nadu ningkong ban penpra ya ke jingya teli ki pat riulum. Nalor kata ulaong ru baka NAD ka dawa badai ban penlong da ke jing toket Halor ki Be-Aiñ ki Bangladeshi ki barong sya kani ke jella. Ulaong badai ban be lani ban let da ke eviction drive ya ki Bangladeshi ki basa Be-Aiñ harilum garo ban thung jing toket NIA Halor ke jing sya penyap Dilseng sangma da ke bakdo ba ya kani ka kam kedai ke bala penkre lupa da ki Bangladeshi ki bawan rung Be-Aiñ.
Strongly condemn the atrocities by illegal Bangladeshi intruders. The Pynrem government Achik expresses its strongest condemnation of the ongoing atrocities, intimidation and unlawful activities perpetrated by the illegal Bangladeshi intruders against the indigenous tribal communities of Kyrwoh Hills, Meghalaya. It has come to our notice with great concern that these illegal intruders have not only encroached upon the land and resources belonging to the indigenous people, but have also systematically attempted to disturb the peaceful coexistence of the communities by instigating communal tension. Such deliberate acts of provocation, violence and fear-mongering are direct threat to the constitutional safeguards and the traditional rights of the scheduled tribes under the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. NAD firmly believes that the recent communal flares-ups are not spontaneous but also result of the calculated attempts by these intruders to destabilize the region and weaken the unity of the indigenous population. The silence and inactions of the concerned authorities in effectively addressing illegal infiltration and its consequences have further emboldened such elements. We are strongly condemn the unwarranted arrest and harassment of NGO leaders and innocent individuals who have been at the forefront of the protecting the rights, identity and the land of the indigenous people. These leaders have been unjustly targeted while raising legitimate concerns regarding illegal infiltration and its socio-economic and cultural impacts. In light of the above, Pynrem government Achik NAD demands: number 1, a thorough and impartial investigation into the activities of the illegal Bangladeshi intruders and their role in inciting communal unrest. Number 2, immediate eviction drive against all illegal settlers occupying tribal lands in Kyrwoh Hills, which has gone orders from the GHADC. Number 3, strengthening of border security and strict enforcement of laws to prevent further illegal infiltration. Number 4, protection of the constitutional and customary rights of the indigenous tribal communities under the 6th schedule. Number 5, for NIA investigation into the murder of late Dilseng Number 6, the POCSO cases committed by the illegal Bangladeshis in Jingpynïap and the gang rape cases in Jingpynïap area where the girl was raped continuously by 5 illegal Bangladeshis intruders whole night, and later the girl was paraded naked in the Jingpynïap area in the next morning. Number 7, for NIA investigation in all the mosques of Kyrwoh Hills. Number 8, to stop the illegal stone quarry in the northwest Kyrwoh Hills and southwest Kyrwoh Hills and NGT implementation. Number 9, ex gratia to both wife and the mother of late Dilseng who died protecting the environment. Number 10, mothers of the late Dilseng must be hanged to death. NAD retaliates that the indigenous people of Garo Hills have always upheld peace, harmony and lawful conduct. However, any continued provocation, injustice and suppression of the rightful voices will only deepen unrest and mistrust among the people. We call upon the state government, central government and all responsible authorities to act decisively and uphold justice, ensuring that the rights and the dignity of the indigenous communities are not compromised. NAD stands firm in its commitment to safeguard the land, identity and the future of the Atiar people. And last not the least, I like to say a big thank you to all the communities of Meghalaya, especially to Kasi, Jingpynïap and Garo people who supported us tirelessly and with a good and a loving heart. They have been with us in protesting against the ST certificate mandatory in a democratic process. We once again like to thank and very grateful to all the communities, especially HYC and JYC President and Secretary who have been with us together all throughout the protest through the democratic process. Yes, as of now, since the leaders are being threatened by the state government, so we are not able to gather to conduct or to organize the meeting, and we as a public organizing whole of Garo Hills to demand the release of the arrest NGOs leaders. We are experiencing quite a peaceful environment in our areas, and right now we have not seen any kind of information or the activities that the public or the NGO leaders are being conducting illegal or illegal activities. Yeah, actually credit good for nothing. Actually, what we want. Actually, we as a NGO leaders who protested regarding this ST certificate mandatory for the upcoming JHDC election, we don't want to take it as credit as it a reward, but we feel that passing this bill is a really successful one. So actually, in this matter, we are not saying every Muslim who are residing in India, we are not against them.
I'm saying Garo Hills.
Garo Hills.
Yeah.
So we can distinguish them as intruders, illegal infiltration. Because at the early years, we have seen the areas are being empty, vacant and barren. But right now, within the decades and 2 decades time, the area was full of illegal immigrants. These people, we call them the illegal immigrants or Bangladeshi immigrants. Right now, we have inquired through some agencies that whether this FIR has been registered or not, but until then we have not got any registered information of this case. And I don't know, it is a really individual matter, but I think it is a matter of concern about the indigenous peoples, right? As we are fighting against this ST certificate mandatory. During this process, we have gone to the New Delhi at the Jantar Mantar to protest against the ST certificate mandatory and the illegal immigrants. During this process, they have played a very wrong way that someone who is working or fighting against the illegal immigrants in this connection. So it is not good from our own people playing with a person who is playing a vital role in fighting against the illegal immigrants. See, in Garo Hills, there are lots of mosques and masjids. See, in a recent incident that we have seen in Nagar, Simsangre, the mob angry and they have attacked the masjid. During this attack, people have seen the live ammunition and the camouflage in the masjid compound. So the police department, they have given a statement that someone who is a police personnel had been taking as a rent in the masjid compound. Whether it is right or wrong of the police personnel, or is it from the Muslim community, we want to know exactly what and who really instigating these matters, like finding out like ammunitions and camouflage in the masjid areas. So it is not right to say that it's a police personnel's belongings. So as a public, we can see that it's a pre-plan to instigate or to play illegal activities in our region. Finding such like ammunitions in the masjid compound is not a good thing for the, and it is a matter of great concern for our area and the public. We don't know exactly, because as soon as the public saw the materials like ammunitions and the camouflage in the masjid compound, we have our people in our area, they have informed the police personnel and they have come with the investigation team with the live videos. So they have seen the live ammunition or numbers and with the numbers of camouflage in the masjid compound. Yeah, right now we are quite satisfied, and we say victory for Kyrwoh Hills, making the SD certificate mandatory for our people to contest in the JHDC election. Actually, right now we have not getting the clear statement that only the Garo people can contest election. Only it is mentioned if the SD is what called the scheduled tribe. It is a great concern that we have discussed in the earlier, that SD can be anyone from in India, whether a Koch, Rabha or Hajong or even Adivasis from the central India. So it is not a really good thing that making a SD only. We should actually mention in the bill like SD scheduled tribe and Garo community. That will be the best. What our opinion is. So we are actually demanding regarding the late Dilseng Sangma's killing also, because what we can feel and see is that earlier these illegal immigrants, Bangladeshis, they have kidnapped this late Dilseng Sangma's younger sister into their residence. So within a day or night, our people, they have gone through to the house of the illegal immigrants, Muslims' house. They went with a good numbers of people, and they have managed to take out the younger sister of late Dilseng Sangma. After bringing back the own sister, they have targeted late Dilseng Sangma personally, and while they were going in a group, number of people were there with the 3 vehicles to protect or to prevent or to stop the illegal stone quarry mining. In that moment, these illegal immigrants people, they have targeted this late Dilseng Sangma and have killed on the spot.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pindon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.